Hey guys, Adrian here from TechSocial.com, and today we're taking a look at Onesafe. Onesafe for the iPhone is a password manager and data manager. It allows you to securely store all of your data from logins, email passwords, internet accounts, Wi-Fi settings, software licenses, and more, all in these specific categories, and you can really safely secure them with passcodes, locks, all of that good stuff. So you can keep all of your information that you don't need to, you don't obviously want to write down or anything like that, and keep it in this application safely and securely. So taking a look at the interface here, you have multiple accounts here. So you can have your computer account, your wallet, your business accounts if you want to store office information here, computer logins, documents, double protection. This is the highly secure area by a second, which is secured by a second password, which you can set up here. So there's multiple views that you can go through: your office info, personal info, or just your username and passwords, as well as smart view, which allows you to look at your favorites and search. Now, to add an item, you can click on the top left, right here, the plus button. At the bottom, you have options for settings, different views. So you have list view, thumbnail kind of view, and you can also lock the actual application itself. So you can set like a passcode on the actual application. So when you open it, you have to type that in. Now on the left here, you have your settings. You can rate the app, change the unlock code. So you can see here you have a passcode. I have a passcode set for mine. You can do advanced security and set password reminders, self-destruction, which this is right here. You can choose to activate self-destruction, which automatically erases all of your data if people try to open your safe incorrectly. So that's a really highly advanced security measure. You have encryption here, so it uses AES 256 encryption, which is really hard to crack, obviously. You also have other options here like decoy safe, break-in reports, backups, synchronization, and a whole bunch of other statistics you can view here. Now, to add an item, like I said, you click on the top left, and you have a variety of templates. So you have an assortment of options you can use. You can use a camera, so you can scan a card, take a photo of a card. You can take a video or photo to use for your template here. You can import items, so you can import documents from your computers, iTunes, file sharing, photos, or video from your photo library. Because like I said, this is also a data manager, so you can keep your data safe. As for passwords and stuff, you have using a template. So it can be like a wallet and admin, so cards, IDs, credit cards, bank accounts, stuff like that. All-purpose templates, you can search right here for a template and or just browse through all of them. Like I said, you also have username and passwords. So this breaks down to categories like web accounts, computer accounts, network accounts, technical accounts, etc. So let's say I said web account, and I want to put in information for my example. You can see you have a whole bunch here, but let's just make a test one. Let's say I want to put my information for my Twitter account here. I can put my Twitter login here, so I can say test. This would be a test, and I can say my password again will be, we can just put a test here, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also see it has a password meter. So you can see here it shows you the security of your actual password here. And you can also generate secure passwords. So you can say, let's say you want a good password, a fair password, a weak password, or a super fantastic password. What you can do here is copy that password, and you can actually set it in here and make that your password if you want to, if you want to generate your password. So we can also generate passwords for you, which is really awesome. So you can save it, and then you can get you get this little card info, and you can click on it, get detailed information. You can put like contact information on it, all that good stuff. So it really is versatile in that fact. You can also see other things like you can change the image here. Yeah, you can change the card image. You can also email it if you need to email it. So let's say you are managing multiple things that you may just need information on. You can send it to your email, you can favorite it, all of that good stuff, and then close out when you're done, and you can see it's stored in your Onesafe here. So like I said, it helps you not only keep these safe and secure, but you can also use it to generate passwords which are really secure, or decently secure, depending on how you want to work at that. And it also has a whole bunch of other safety measures. So you can put ATM cards in here, PIN cards, or PIN numbers, credit cards, reward programs, all of that good stuff. And then you can protect it. You can choose to protect it not only with a passcode here. So if I click the lock icon here, you can see the app locks, and nobody can get into the actual app, even just opening it even if they have access to your physical phone. You can set a secure password, you can set passcodes, you can set all sorts of stuff to keep them out. And even when they get in, you can set up a second safe for your really secure information like credit cards and stuff like that. So if they happen to guess this passcode for whatever reason, or if it doesn't get locked, then you have a second safety measure. Really secure application. Again, this is Onesafe, available for the iPhone. Check it out in the App Store today.